Welcome to Hi Channel. Today please go with us on a peaceful journey into one of Cuba's hidden natural treasures, the beautiful, where an ecological boat tour carries us gently through a living maze of mangroves, calm waters, and untouched wilderness. As our small boat glides away from the dock, the noise of the road fades and the rhythm of nature takes over. The water is smooth like glass, reflecting the soft sky above, while winding channels open between thick mangrove roots that rise like sculptures from the lagoon. These mangroves are more than trees, they are the guardians of the ecosystem, protecting the shoreline and sheltering countless species of birds, fish, and reptiles. Every turn reveals something new: white herons lifting gracefully into the air, pelicans diving for their catch, and tiny crabs scuttling along the muddy banks. This ecological tour takes us deep into an area with a remarkably high level of conservation, where nature still feels wild and undisturbed. Endemic plants thrive beside migratory visitors, creating a rich tapestry of flora and fauna that changes with the seasons. The guide points out native species, explains how the lagoon supports local biodiversity, and shares stories about the delicate balance that keeps this habitat alive. It feels less like sightseeing and more like stepping quietly into nature's home. As part of the unforgettable, this experience blends adventure with education and appreciation for Cuba's natural heritage. The slow pace of the boat lets us truly absorb the surroundings: the scent of wet earth, the rustle of leaves, the distant bird calls, and the warm breeze brushing across the water. By the end of the ride, we don't just see the lagoon, we feel connected to it. Laguna La Redonda isn't just a destination, it's a reminder of how beautiful and fragile our natural world can be. So sit back, relax, and let's explore this magical mangrove ecosystem together.
Quizás hayas olvidado el fugaz tiempo que habita en un atardecer, cuando el sol nos prometía no volvernos a perder. Tu mirada se quedaba dibujada en mi café, y el reloj se detenía por no verte envejecer. Ay, amor, si supieras que en mi pecho aún suspira tu querer, que el recuerdo me desvela como un eco que no deja de doler. Quizás tú hayas seguido, pero aún ardes en mi piel, en aquel beso rendido que duró lo que un atardecer. Tus palabras se hicieron brisa que mi alma vuelve a oír, y en cada sombra del alma te vuelvo a descubrir. Si cierro los ojos siento que aún me sabes a miel, y el crepúsculo nos mira con tristeza y con papel. Quizás hayas olvidado pero el tiempo